If you were to listen to a piano or a digital piano, hybrid piano, silent piano with these headphones, and it's a modern day Yamaha piano, it's going to sound incredible and you're not even going to notice the difference. Some people I talk to, mostly clients or customers, know that when they put this headphone on and they play a Yamaha piano with these headphones, they can hardly tell the difference. One, because if you're playing a hybrid piano, it's going to feel like a real piano. Two, if you're playing a silent piano, it is a real piano, but it just has the silent bar engaged. So you really can't tell the difference with the feel. I've had this experience numerous times, so I know that there's nothing else that you need other than this pair of Yamaha headphones for your Yamaha digital piano. The thing about digital pianos these days is that the modern digital pianos have much better sampling than the older digital pianos. This pair of Yamaha headphones is actually really great if you're trying to play digital piano pieces. One thing that's really important about these headphones is that there's a larger circumference for this inexpensive pair of headphones for this pad. It allows the sound to reverberate in this little area. That's actually better than, say, this Sony pair. See, the Sony pair has a smaller circumference for the sound to kind of bounce around on the inside of the muff. I'll just call it the muff. On the inside of the muff, whereas here you have a larger area for that sound to bounce around and to sound like you're playing a real acoustic piano with acoustics. Surprisingly, I've found that this pair of headphones is all you need to get a really great sound for a digital piano. You literally don't need to spend anything more than 30 to 40 bucks for this Yamaha pair of headphones. It sounds really amazing. It just sounds amazing with their digital products, their hybrid products, their silent products. I really wouldn't even recommend that you spend any more money than what's required to purchase this pair of headphones. I hope you enjoyed my perspective about this pair of headphones. I've had working knowledge with this pair for about 5 years now, and it's just incredible to see when customers will play the piano, but they can't even tell the difference until they take the headphone off and say, oh my gosh, that's not even the sound of the piano that I'm hearing. It's the sound of these headphones.